Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to invite users to join your Asana teams, your complete guide for 2025. First things first, log into your Asana account. Now that we've done that, navigate to the sidebar and click on the team you want to add members to. This helps us because it directly leads us to the team to which we want to add members. Next up, locate the Invite to Team button. It's usually at the top of the team page. Clicking this button opens up the invitation panel. The reason we do this is to access the invitation interface where we can input the emails of those we want to invite. Now you'll type in the email addresses of the people you want to add to your team. You can add multiple email addresses at once. Just remember to separate them with commas. This is vital because it's how Asana knows who to send the team invitation to. Once you've entered the emails, you have the option to add a personal note to the invite. It's not mandatory, but it can add a friendly touch. Then, click Send Invite. This sends out the invitations to join your team. Let me explain why this matters. It's the final step that sets the ball rolling for your team members to join. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is sending out emails to the addresses you entered with a link to join your team. Once they click the link, they'll be added to your team. And just like that, you've successfully invited users to join your Asana team. It's a simple, straightforward process, isn't it? Thanks for tuning in, and remember, teamwork makes the dream work. Until next time.